that destroyed our pyramids like terrorists destroyed the tower. That doesn't make you domestic terrorists by definition, but you'll never know what happened to his tuition, what happened to peace, what happened to bravery. They got the police and the media thinking they're scaring me, but you put fear in the brown man and expect the reaction. We'll shut this shit down, get ready for action. The end of brown man's eyes, you'll find admiration for the cultures, Black Power, Black Panthers, get rid of the vultures. What's up, boost? Play that guitar. We try to erase our culture, but we know who we are. Do you by any chance know where you stand? I'm sure you don't, because if you do, you would know that this is my land. Behind the brown man's eyes, behind the brown man's eyes, you will know this is my land. Behind the brown man's eyes, you'll find truth. You'll see the connection to his ancestors, to the very last root. Behind the brown man's eyes, you'll find humbleness and humility. You'll find family first and the yearn for equality and stability. Behind the brown man's eyes, you will soon discover that we can never be defeated because we're truly down for each other. Peace.
Yeah. We're gonna build